Hello. Why avoid LLCs when building a watch list, a swing trading watch list? I don't like to have LLCs in my stock watch list for swing trading because when you have LLC stocks in your portfolio, at the end of the year, you will get Schedule K1, and you will receive it by March, or depending on the mail, you will get it by the end of March, and you will use it for your 1040 if you are trading in your brokerage account, taxable brokerage account. If you are trading in your um, Roth IRA, which is a tax-free account, when you put after tax money in it, and when you retire, you are taking money out of it, is tax free to you. But when you are investing in LLCs, or you are trading but you are holding on to that stocks for a certain period of time, you will receive Schedule K1. So when it's in your Roth, the Schedule K1 you will receive, you will mail it to your brokerage firm, and they will file a form. I believe is 990T form, and that form. So, but when it's in your brokerage account, taxable brokerage account, the Schedule K1, you will use it to file your 1040. And so you need to wait on that form to file your 1040. So that is a drawback for me. And the second drawback is there is a chance you might end up paying tax. And it happened to me when one and I invested in LLC more than once, but one of them ended up costing me $2,000 in taxes, even though I didn't really make anything out of it. LLC stock pay a large amount of dividend, but since I kept reinvesting the dividend and then they went bankrupt, technically I didn't make anything out of that um, investment slash trade, but I end up paying in taxes, and it was in my Roth IRA. So for that reason, learning from that experience, I decided not to include LLCs in my list of stocks that I trade from. So when I pull stocks for swing trading, I like to just trade corporations. So PLC is partnership. So LLC is partnership. All those stocks, I like to remove them out of the list because again, those LLCs companies, it can be LLCD as well. They pretty much transfer the profit or the loss to their shareholders, and those shareholders will reflect the loss or the profit on their tax return, whether they receive distribution or not. So for that reason, I think that's why LLC stock tend to pay a high level of dividend. So that is something to keep in mind. So I just don't care much for them since I didn't really have a good experience from it. But that is just my personal opinion. That is why I like to take them out. So if you are now holding on to the stock for, or if you are holding on to the stock in a short period of time, maybe you may not receive a Schedule K1 when you didn't hold on to it for long and you sold it. But again, I don't want to try. Here we have Alibaba here, that is LTD as well. So yes, I just like to take them out. It does not mean they are bad stocks per se. now. But again, it could be those stocks that I traded may not even be um, a stocks that now with the way I filter stocks for swing trading, it may not even make it to my watch list. Could be a possibility, but I just like to take them out. And the one that I'm taking out, they could be good stocks that I may not have that issue with them, but I like to just take them out. The same way as international companies ending with SA or AG. So that is just a personal experience that I draw a learning from and apply it to what I do in the stock market when it comes to my investment. Today we are going to analyze BLK, and today is February 4th, 2026. Is BLK, will I buy BLK today using Thinkorswim platform and maximum daily chart? No, I will not buy BLK today. And why is that? Well, I like to first locate where I like to buy. So I have those two valley lines here. Uptrend line passing by the higher lows of the chart, which I like to call the valley line, depending because of how low they will be, because you can have multiple support lines. This is one as well, but I like to locate what I would call a valley when I'm analyzing the chart in terms of a mountain, and the mountain will have a valley. So I like to determine those uptrend line passing by the higher lows at the valley of the mountain to be where I like to buy. And then I like to see where the price is right now and ask myself, where is it coming from? Is it coming from the valley or is it coming from the top of the mountain? And right now it's coming from the top of the mountain and is far from the valley. So therefore it is not a buy. Yesterday the price closed on red. The price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning when the markets open. So that is how we do our chart analysis. So thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, producer of Liberman Consulting LLC YouTube channel and ninasoup.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your accounts from there. It is our goal, and we are just sharing what we are learning with you in case you might find some useful tips in it to help you in yours as well. Thank you. Happy swing trading. For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist in the description of this video, how to start swing trading step by step using long uptrend lines. And we do have other swing trading related playlists as well. Thank you.